Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word boulevard. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She drove down the elegant boulevard lined with tall palm trees and designer boutiques. A boulevard refers to a wide street, usually with trees or gardens in the center or along the sides, often lined with shops, restaurants, or residences. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.